Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to buy USDT on our Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that. Now let's simply look at how to buy USDT. Well, on the navbar, the very first thing that you are gonna see is a button like this that says crypto. Simply hover over it. And guys, from here, as you can see, there are multiple options by which you can buy crypto. Simply select the one which is best suitable for you. For me, it's either credit or debit card, so I'm gonna click on it. And that is it. Once you click on that button right there, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, what you need to do is simply enter the amount that you want to pay. Well, denote that you can also change the currency from right here. Simply click on this drop down and select your currency. Now what you need to do is simply enter the amount. Let's say I have entered it, and once you do, this is the amount of USDT that I will receive. Do note that you can simply change it by clicking on this drop down button as well, but for now this is okay with me. Once you do that, simply click on buy USDT and just follow along the prompts. You need to have added your debit or credit card. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.